Good afternoon or good morning, depending upon where you are in the world. I just wanted to go through an article that I read in the FT last week. Super relevant, super important. How do we fund the COVID stimulus that has just been created? Well, one of the things that they're mentioning in the UK is discussing the sort of taxes that we pay on pensions. What this short video is going to look at is two things. One, income tax and tax on pensions, and two, the pension commencement lump sum. So, what's happened? Well, a think tank have got together and a guy called Paul Johnson is heading it up, and he's advised a committee of MPs that the taxes on pensions needs to be looked at and could be a way of helping to fund some of that COVID stimulus that's been created. So, what is the argument? The first argument revolves around income tax, and essentially should pensioners pay a higher level of income tax? The arguments are that you already received tax relief on the way into the pension, so any contributions that you made got a little bit extra put in by the government. Number two, you also probably received, a pension commencement lump sum, i.e. 25% of the pot in a current money occupational pension scheme was tax-free, leaving only 75% to be taxable. Thirdly, often some of the older defined benefit schemes that we see were actually non-contributory in the first place, so employees never actually put their own cash in. These three things together are causing an argument to say, let's look at the taxes that are paid via income on pensions. The second option is looking at a pension commencement lump sum change. The pension commencement lump sum is the fancy name given to the tax-free amount that you get from a UK pension. As I said, the 75% that's left, because PCLS 25%, is then taxable. But there's an argument to say, well, if you just reduce the pension commencement lump sum from its current 25%, then you are going to collect more in the way of taxes. Nobody wants to pay more tax. Nobody wants to see these sorts of things come into place, but they are definitely being considered as a way of footing the bill for COVID. What do we say? We say, look, if you want to talk about pensions, if you want to know about your own state of affairs, then come and speak to us. It's really important. It's one of the biggest assets that people have a lot of the time, and they don't know about it. If you don't know what you're entitled to, when you're entitled to it, and what that is going to look like, then get in touch and we can tell you all of that. It's really easy and simple to find out. Let's see how this progresses. We all know COVID stimulus has got to be paid for somehow. This is just one of the options being floated. So if this was interesting, valuable, please like, share and pass on to others. Have a great day.